Once again, ARICHAIN just released another important update now, and I think this plan is to disqualify a lot of people right now. So that is why you have to hurry up, because your account might be at risk. I already told you that this Discord you are seeing, Discord task is going to be another problem if we don't hurry up to complete this task. Now look at the news released by them. If you go to their official Twitter community, following the news released by Alright guys, as you can see, here is the news release on their official Twitter community, which says that before starting Ari account and wallet registration, we'll be closing access to Discord, and if you have not joined the Discord yet, please make sure to join within 48 hours. We will block access to the ARICHAIN Discord afterwards. What does this mean? It means that for those of you that have not completed the Discord task, by the end of the day, which is within 48 hours, if they close this task, you will not be able to complete again. And don't forget, this Discord is among the eligibility registration task. That means if you don't do this task so that you'll be among the ARICHAIN users on Discord, you'll not be able to complete the registration. And if you'll not be able to complete the registration, automatically you are disqualified. Okay, so I keep on telling you guys over and over, completing Discord task is not something big. Now if we come to my Discord, as you can see, this is my Discord. Okay, so we just wait for it to open. It will not take much time. You see it now. If you look at it here, this is ARICHAIN, this is unique, this is some failure airdrops like TapSwap. So I've joined them before. Now as you can see on this particular one, which is ARICHAIN, you are going to click on it. Okay, and you can see that all their announcement, everything is currently ongoing. You can see that even if we come to community notice now, the deals they release on their Twitter is also here. Okay, so if we scroll down till the very ending, you'll see the news here. You understand? So everything is already here. Now what you should do is this. I told you that this task is on ARICHAIN wallet. Okay, so we're going to come over to the Ari Wallet here, and as you can see, immediately open it will take you to daily here. So we are going to go ahead and click on general. After clicking on general, guys, at this particular place you see join Discord, and the task will be here since what month? Since March, which is March of this year 2025, and it's still running. But they are going to close the task within 48 hours. Now if you have not joined, that means your account is at risk. Okay, so we're going to come over to that this thing, the task here, which is join Discord. You click on it and it will just redirect you to the Discord here. Okay, and you now see your ARICHAIN. That means automatically you have joined the community, and whenever any vital information is going on, you will be the first person to see it here. You understand? And by the time when it is time to start the registration, this is where you are coming to copy your ARICHAIN, to copy your Discord username. As you can see at the bottom of the screen, you'll see you. Okay, so after clicking on you, then in this particular place you can see this is your username here. Do you understand? But by the time you did not complete this task, even if you submit your username, ARICHAIN will tell you that they did not find your username, that is the record not found. That is why it is important you complete this task. Okay, not only this task, we have a lot of other tasks like social, follow their official Twitter account, their official Telegram, and so on. We also come to collabs here. You can see a lot of collaboration tasks here. It is very important for you to complete. Without doing this, you will not be eligible for ARICHAIN. So you have to hurry up now, and this is what I have for you at the moment. If you find this video interesting, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.